On Wednesday afternoon, a Rohingya man was arrested by the Department of Narcotics Control while smuggling yerba after coming out the Rohingya camp number 9 in Balokhali of Ukhia. The arrestee was identified as Mohammad Rafiq, son of Abdul Shukur, a resident of C9 block of camp number 9. Mohammad Sanwar Hussain, sub-inspector of the Department of Narcotics Control, who led the drive, said the raid was conducted on secret information. At that time, 10,000 yaba pills were seized. He also said that the Department of Narcotics Control is working on a zero-tolerance policy against drugs. Rafiq is also a member of an organization that controls the alleged armed organization of the Rohingyas behind the illegal drug trade centered in the camp. Asifuzzaman Sajin, TTN.